What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. Xiaomi has finally launched the Redmi Note 6 Pro, the successor to its most popular Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Note series has always been perfectly balanced and well priced, which was its recipe for success. I'm sure you guys would have watched a lot of Redmi Note 6 Pro unboxings. So here I am with an exclusive, one-of-a-kind unboxing of all the colors the Redmi Note 6 Pro is available in. Yes, every known color the Redmi Note 6 Pro is currently sold at the time of this video.
Shan, are you serious? Did you get the red one too?
Hell yeah! Here you go, retail box of all the 4 colors: red, rose gold, blue and black. This is the 4GB RAM with 64GB storage variant. It also comes in a 6GB RAM model. This variant costs 13,999. Pretty simple packaging. Cut open, you have the phone itself. Red, rose gold, blue, black. Moving on, rest of the contents are same in all the boxes. You have the SIM eject pin, manual and warranty info, then you get a soft TPU transparent case, a normal 5V 2A charger adapter, sadly no fast charger in the box, but the phone does support quick charge 3, then a micro USB cable. I expected a type C, but alright, we'll live with it. That's about the box. Here you go, a closer look at all the colors. Let me know which one you like the most in the comments. It's metal build, nothing new, same old boring Xiaomi design language, but sturdy and solid. I have to admit, it feels very light in the hand. The color variance does give a nice look, but again, getting your desired color in these flash sales is a battle you have to win. Front top, we have the dual cameras, 20 megapixel primary and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Notification LED, earpiece and hidden sensors. No LED flash. This time you get only screen flash. Followed by the 6.26-inch 19:9 Full HD Plus notch display with 2.5D Gorilla Glass. Color reproduction is vibrant and crisp, no issues. The previous Note 5 Pro didn't have a notch, so that's new in this. Have to keep up with the trend, right? Visibility, viewing angles, all are very good. You also get double tap to wake, color adjustments, and a few more settings. Navigation keys are on screen. You get a big chin at the bottom. Right, the volume rocker and power button. Left, the SIM tray, which can take 2 nano SIM cards or 1 SIM and a micro SD card. Dual VoLTE is supported, so 2 Geo SIMs, yes, no issues. Bottom, the speaker and microphone grills, along with the charging port in the middle. Top, you have the 3.5mm headphone slot, secondary mic and the IR blaster. Good that the 3.5mm slot is not removed. Back, you have the dual camera setup, 12 megapixel primary and a 5 megapixel depth sensor with dual tone flash. And then the fingerprint sensor in the middle. Here is a quick look at the technical specifications. At its core, it has the Snapdragon 636 octa-core chip clocked at 1.8 GHz with Adreno 509 GPU. As said, comes in 2 RAM variants, 4 and 6GB. What I have here is the 4GB variant. On the software front, you get the latest MIUI 10 on top of Android 8.1. Yes, a few bloatwares are pre-installed. In my initial use, I had no issues with everyday tasks. Device is fast. Could handle anything I throw at it with ease. Even high-end games. All the needed sensors are inside, including FM radio, except NFC. On the battery front, comes with a 4000 mAh battery. 2 days backup is what you get. Supports fast charging with a quick charge 3 charger. Coming to the cameras, my initial impressions are very good. Video recording, you can go up to 1080p 30fps at the moment. Has electronic image stabilization, which gives a very stable footage. On the photos, again, no issues. Takes very good selfies in both bright and low light conditions. The front camera is also pretty awesome. Overall, the Redmi Note 6 Pro is a good device, a well-balanced one. But wait! Yes, I have to admit I'm disappointed with a few things. Starting off with the design, frankly I'm fed up. Nothing new, same old design. Even specs is close to what it was. Competition is heating up in this price range. When this is a successor of something very popular, expectations will of course be high. All I can see is a minor bump in camera and a few software features, which frankly is not worth calling it a successor to the previous most popular Redmi Note 5 Pro. It feels rushed and repackaged. Hoping Xiaomi does something better next time. It's a good device, but again, can't say it's a worthy upgrade. So if you already own a Redmi Note 5 Pro, I don't see any major reason for an upgrade. But if you're planning to get a new device, then you can consider this new one. Did you guys manage to already get one, or are you planning to buy one? What do you think about the Redmi Note 6 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, would love to hear it. So, that's my thoughts on the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Hope you... Huh?